In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to replace a temple arm on an oroscopic metal frame. When you receive the temple arm, the kit will include the temple arm itself, and the temple arm will have a preset pin that is holding the hinge gate open. You will also receive a self-tapping screw. And then the tools that we're going to use include an optical screwdriver and a pair of pliers. So step one is simply to line up the replacement temple arm with the front of the frame. And then take the self-tapping screw and drop that into the hole that connects the temple arm with the front of the frame. Push on the self-tapping screw slightly, and once that's in there, you can go ahead and remove the pin that was holding the temple gate open. Now I'm just going to turn this upside down, put a little pressure on that self-tapping screw to push it in even further, and then I simply finish it off with the optical screwdriver. And now once your screw is completely in, you simply take the pliers and you snap off the bottom of the screw very easily, and you are good to go. That is the entire procedure.